Hey, how's it going, everybody? Here, Diego. What's going on? How's everybody? Hope you guys are having a good week. I'm getting over a little cold. That's why I have the kind of bad voice right now. But hopefully, I can make it a little bit better for you guys. So, hey, I'm here showcasing another little gadget or product for the LiveWire that I've been kind of using myself for the past, I would say, over a year now. And I'll tell you this, it's well worth the investment that I've done on it, and too bad I didn't know about it before something happened to the bike and I could have avoided it, but it's here now and I'm going to show it to you guys. So let me flip this camera over, see if we can get you guys a better angle. Okay, so here's my hood, and over here's the beauty right there. She's parked right now, a nice little secluded cul-de-sac where I live at. And as you guys can tell, she's dirty. There's all kinds of stuff. I just got back from the San Francisco Bay Area, where I was lucky enough to get a tour of the LiveWire Labs facility, and boy, did I see some stuff that's gonna blow your mind in the next couple of days. So I'll leave that lit there because I cannot say anything else, but I can talk about what I'm gonna show you guys right now. So let me zoom in real quick here, or stand next to this doohickey that you see here. You see that? That is a scratch on my bike. And yes, it is a scratch, and it sucked the day it happened, because basically I had what they call the infamous ghost kickstand issue, where I thought the kickstand was down and it wasn't, and obviously the bike went down, and you can imagine what happened after that. And here's the end result. So with that being said, I said, well, at the time I had the Harley Davidson frame protectors, which is this like adhesive rubber device that you stick into your frame at around this area, and hopefully that'll protect your bike from being scratched and dropped, and anything that is like no speed impact, dropping it is what it's mostly for, because this part, I'll bet you anything, it's a pretty expensive piece. So with that being said, I started looking around for what they call crash protectors, frame protectors, whatever you want to call them. And the issue here was finding something that you can attach to the bike for a drop, just like this. So in the many places that I looked, I found something pretty decent. So the issue was how to get it to work. So what I've done is I found these crash protectors, which you see here. So these are for low speed crashes if you drop the bike. Yes, they look kind of funky at the beginning, but I'll tell you this right now, I regret not having them on that other side, because this side is still clean and that other side is not. Now, real simple, it's a screw-on process. Take off the factory screw, slide our frame protector in. It has its own M10 screw. It screws all the way in. Then you screw the cap on it, and then basically you have protection. It's enough to protect all this area of the frame from getting scratched. Same thing goes on the side. Here in this case, since I have a two-tone or two-face bike, I have the silver on one side and I have the black one on this side, which, right here it is. So now you can see that I can technically drop the bike, and most of these components that are behind this area here will be protected. Now, I have dropped the bike on the other side, and here's some of the damage that I've done in the before I had this frame protector, but it's worked out pretty well for me, and I gotta say that I'm really happy with it and what it's done. By all means, it's not a high speed crash protector, and keep that in mind. If you do that at high speed, I don't think any crash protector will probably save you on the LiveWire. So just beware. This is for low speeds, just in case you drop the bike. And I know that some of us, or if not most of us, have had that issue in the past. So I'm gonna screw them up on the site. Hopefully you guys will like them. I am getting assorted colors, so I'm gonna start with the black, the silver, and the orange. And the orange is to match the orange color of the original Harley Davidson LiveWire. So with that, you have a choice. I have limited quantity. I just wanted to see how they move with you guys, if you guys like them. The vendor's willing to send me some more, but I didn't want to get stuck with a whole bunch of these things and not being able to get them out to you guys. So hopefully you guys will like this other solution. Just another little doohickey to kind of protect your bike from everyday abuse. I got a new sticker on it, the Panasonic sticker for the telematic unit. So it's pretty cool. Other than that, everything else is pretty much going okay with the bike. I have no issues whatsoever. Just got back from the Bay Area and enjoying the hell out of it. So they'll be screwed up as of today, and if we're out of stock, let me know, and then we'll try to get some more orders in. Now I can get assorted colors. Right now I'm just going to start with the basic LiveWire black and white, or black and silver, which is going to match with the white, and then the orange. If I can get some yellow ones, then I'll do that next. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care. Be safe.